Alright, good morning everybody. This is from my good friend D-Mock, who says we can't measure things from a distance. So what we're going to do is we're going to measure this, my basketball court here, and we're going to get a distance away from it and an angle, and we're going to see if that doesn't compare to actually how tall it is. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to measure from the pole to the front of the rim, which came out to be about 31 or 30, I think it was 32.5 inches. And then we'll mark off a spot on the ground, which is where I marked this stick right now. Just lost it. Yeah, I'll do it again, but I'm just gonna measure from back here to the front of the rim. 1 second. All right, that was about 30, focus, okay, about 32.5 inches. So we'll put that down here. Lock that off, about 32.5 inches. So we'll put this stick about right there. I don't have anything else to mark it with, so we'll just use the damn stick for now. You know what? Actually, we'll just use the rock. Yeah, we're definitely gonna do this real crude, because I know the stick's gonna get blown by the wind, but we'll just use the rock, roughly. All right, so that's how far the rim is away from the pole. That's gonna be our 90-degree angle point from the front of the rim to the ground. Now, we don't know how tall the rim is, so we're going to find that out using trigonometry. All right, so that's about, let's see, let me get on this side. That's about 16 feet. So the base of our triangle from the bottom is about 16 feet. All right. So we have our 90-degree angle over there to the rim. We know our base. Now, let's get our angle. So, alright, so I have my theodolite app here. I'm not sure if you guys can see that on the screen, but if so, that's awesome. So we're going to get down here, and we're going to get our angle. And 16 feet is about right here. So we're going to go from right here. I know it's kind of blurry, but we're going to go from right here, and we're going to get our angle up to the front of the rim. See if I can get those crosshairs right on the rim. I can't really see. Hold on. And I'll snap a screenshot as soon as I get it on there. Try and be as accurate as I can. All right, there's our screenshot. So now we have our base, and we have our angle. So now we'll just do a little math. So the function you want is tangent. So we push tangent, right? Then we put in our angle, which was 25.2 degrees. We close the brackets. Then we add our distance, which was 16 feet. and that equals 7.529. Now that's in feet. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go and we're actually going to measure the height, and let's see if it matches. All right, so now we have our calculation. We're going to go ahead and measure the height from the front of the rim to the ground and see if that matches our calculations. All right. It's going to be hard doing one hand, but we're going to wing it. This would be impossible. All right, so we have our tape measure from the ground all the way up here. The measurement we have is, oh, look at that, 7 feet 10 inches. I would say that's pretty close. What do you think? And I'm pretty sure you're gonna come back and say, oh, you can't measure this, you can't measure that, you can't measure something off in distance. But you know what? I guarantee that if I measure anything else, it's gonna be pretty accurate. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.